Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to make an amazing woolen flower with two colors of wool and finger. First thing to do here is to wrap around your pointer finger the first color of wool for 15 times. Attach needle on the extension of the wool and use that to sew round the wool already on your finger. Attach the second color of wool on the woolen design. Use that to sew around the edge of the woolen design. Please follow and see how I'm doing that. At this point, attach a medium-sized spear right at the middle of this woolen flower to make it seamless and beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. If you really enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!